Whew. All right, so found some motivation to build a new kit. It's been a while. I haven't done a news perspective video in a while too. I don't classify as the one that I did a while back. The 30-minute missions, mini review, whatever you want to call that. I don't classify that as news perspective, but it is what it is. I mean, I shouldn't be buying any more backlogs, but I still do it. My backlog's a little on the ridiculous side, but you can't take money to your grave, so you might as well spend it, right? Like a little bit responsibly. With that said, this is the high grade Calibarn from Witch of Mercury. I heard a lot of good things about it. I also heard that it's even better than the Aerial, which is pretty high claim, because the Aerial for me is like the best high grade kit that's been out so far, and if that's true, I'll be glad. One thing about me, the channel is not about freaking doing Gunpla reviews. I don't care for it. So all I care about is, as soon as I build the kit, is the potential of what you could make with the kit. This is a primarily customizing channel. We don't really care for like freaking part separation, because we could make that ourselves, right? Once we get really good at like doing customs and stuff. So if you guys are looking for a review, there's a lot of channels that you can go visit. I mean, I'll do like a mini review like I mostly do, but it's like just a quick general what I think about it. But majority of the time, as soon as I'm done with a kit, I'm just gonna talk about what I think you can do with a kit. Whether you can just paint it, or you maybe just scribe it a little bit, or like do this things and that thing and all that stuff. Just little suggestions here and there that I can give you guys when it comes to customizing. But with that said, I also have to do parts count because I like doing that stuff. Let's get started. You get a manual, and I believe you also get a sticker set for the kit, and then you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 runners. That's how many you get. 9 runners, a freaking sticker, and the manual. There you go. So I'll be right back. Build this kit in like 2 seconds, because the power of editing and stuff, and then I'll go over what I think you could do with a kit. So BRB. All right, so this is the final build. This is the high grade Calibarn, if I have not mentioned that. Excellent kit. If I were to do like a mini review about it, it's better than the high grade Aerial. And the high grade Aerial is my favorite high grade until this one came out. When it comes to the looks, it totally beats the Aerial. Love the freaking long ass rifle that came with the build. It's incredible. It's got a lot of details on it. Between the Aerial and this is hands down the best high grade kit that I've ever built so far. That's my review. AAA kit. Buy it if you can afford it, or if you can find it, get it right away. Get like 10 copies of it and do a custom of it. It's an incredible build. But since this is a channel that's all about customizing, we don't really care about like an actual review. You can always go to a different channel for that. This is why I find this kit excellent. Just the same as the Aerial. It's got a lot of details for a high grade kit. So what does that mean though, right? It means that you don't really have to do a lot to it, but just paint it. And if you want to be like an overachiever, right, you can maybe add in some scribing details on it, and then that's all you gotta do, and then just paint it. And if you really want to go full retard on it, right, you could do masking, because I hate masking. I'm pretty sure I've never met anybody yet, at least for me, In my experience, I've never met anybody that loves masking when it comes to painting their kits. I mean, I do it because I know in the end it's gonna look cool if I do some masking, but that doesn't mean I like it, you know. But and with this kit, there's a lot of opportunities for you to do some masking without even having to scribe a detail on it and add in some part separation on it. I'm gonna show you guys what I'm talking about when it comes to masking and the details. I mean, look at the long rifle, which is like the best part. Look at the amount of details on this thing. It's crazy. Let me shine a better light on it. I mean, look at that. I mean, you can just go crazy and just do some masking on it and you'll be fine. It's gonna make it look like you added in some details in there when all you really did was masking. Now, I'm not saying that masking is not a lot of work. It's like probably, at least for me, the most difficult thing about painting and doing your customs on your kit. Masking. Everybody hates it, requires a lot of tape, and then you leave a mess on your table. It's stupid. Look at the leg, it even has vents right there. I mean, there's not a lot of high-grade kits that does that stuff. I mean, look at that. You can even show off the inner frame with the vents and stuff. It's ridiculous. The amount of detail on the shoulders there, I mean, it feels like you were built like a real grade, man. There's a lot of part separation on it. The chest, don't even get me started with the chest and the V-fin. I love this thing. The little freaking computer line stuff right there. I love it. I wish they could make Gunpla designs like this all the time, man, because it's like, this kit is ridiculous. It's, oh, I love this build. It kind of inspired me to like paint, but I'm not gonna, because, you know, lazy. But yeah, so overall, that's what I think about the build. It's an excellent kit. You don't really need to do a lot to it. You can just paint this kit and I'll be freaking royally impressed by what you did. This is one of those kits, I think, at least for me, where you can just use like 2 or 3 colors and it will still look excellent. And yeah, so stay tuned for more mountain biking and Gunpla videos, because that's what this channel is now, mountain biking and Gunpla videos. More so Gunpla, less mountain biking. I'm gonna try to upload more and build more, you know, do more Noob'S perspective, because I like doing those videos. It doesn't take me that long to make them. And when it comes to like recording it, it's just the editing part is like kind of hard, but nobody cares, right? So yeah, stay tuned. That's it for me. Subscribe if you like. Everybody stay safe, and thank you for watching. Upside down peace, guys. Stay tuned for more videos.